uFlorick uchazele usihlalo wekhomishana ukuthi wahlangana kanjani noAngelo Agrizzi kanye nomndeni wakwaWatson.
I met Mr. Gavin Watson through the acquaintance of Mr. Cheeky Watson.
Yes.
He's the brother of Mr. Gavin Watson.
Yes.
And we've been involved in the non-racial sport movement in the Eastern Cape. I initially met Cheeky, and after that I met the brothers, including Mr. Gavin Watson.
Lofakazi uthi uAgrizzi wayeqamba lihlaza manga uma ngabe ethi kukhona imali ayithola evela kuCheeky Watson.
I also deny that I received money from Mr. Gavin Watson or any other person during that visit to Bosasa, as alleged by Mr. Agrizzi.
Uthi nemali okuthiwa wayithola ivele eBosasa nayo akakaze inhlobo ayithole. Uvumile ukuthi kunezimpahla azithola ezinikwa nguGavin Watson ngosuku lwakhe lokuzalwa, wathi walazisa iPhalamende ngalokho.
I have to add that during the course of 2013-14 I received a desktop computer for my constituency office that was arranged by Mr. Cheeky Watson for learners and students to assist them in their studies. And I also received, Chairperson,
affected by the pandemic,
and a belt from Mr. Cheeky Watson sometime on my birthday, and I've subsequently then declared that in Parliament.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.